Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unbox review of LED tail lights for my Mini Cooper. I decided to get new tail lights because my tail lights are practically fucked, in other words. So I went ahead on Amazon, bought some LED lights, even though I don't condone much LED smoked Altiza lights much. Didn't really have an option to see what to buy. Except another set of OEM tail lights, and they're hard to find for the 0204 to R53s. So I decided to just get something different, completely different. So we'll see how it goes. This is a package, and got these on Amazon for like $170 or something. So yeah, pretty decent. Hopefully, it's gonna be like an unbox. So this is what you get. Normal tail lights. Self-explanatory, obviously. And these are the ones I'll be replacing. Like I said, different strokes for different folks. I myself don't really like Altiza lights, or this style, I guess you can say, but kind of had no choice. In a bit you'll see why I decided to get these lights, and why I'm actually replacing them in the first place. Because my tail lights are practically screwed. So that's what you get. The connector. I'm guessing a resistor for the signals so they don't blink fast. But I'm installing a lot of different things. Little by little, you guys want to follow me, hit like, subscribe, whatever. It's cool. Yeah, this is the unbox of these tail lights. I'm gonna go ahead and install these. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'll take you guys through it for those who want to try doing it or whatnot. So yeah. So as you guys can see, these tail lights are pretty much done. Like, can't maybe tell from this side, but see all that haze? From my understanding, this is from the inside, and there is some people that actually fixed it by taking them off and opening them up and trying to polish the inside, because this is not outside haze like my tail lights. I may still try to give it a go. I'll do something custom to it later, since I have an extra pair of lights now. But so for those who don't know, basically your access here, take it to standard 10 mil. Just crack this. There's a harness up here that you need to like unplug. It's like a little clip. That's all there's to it, honestly. Just listen to tail mail. It's completely out. This has got to be the longest fucking bolt in the world. The worst part is that it's one of those bolts that kind of sticks to that thing, so it's kind of like hard to take off. Sorry guys for the glare, but I can't be responsible for the the sun exposure. And then it should pop out. Now, there's some little tabs right at the corner. You can't see them, but if you stick your hand in there, you'll feel it. You kind of have to like pop. You know what I mean when you touch them. You see what I mean when you pull them out. These tabs right here. So from the inside, you kind of like, it's hard to show with two hands on the camera, but when you stick your hand in there, you kind of use your other hand to kind of like push this thing and push it so it pops off, because it's only being held by this 10 mil and this whatever pressure points or whatever the hell you want to call them. But yeah. And apparently I get some condensation there from rain, which sucks. That's probably why they get, you know, hazy in the first place. If you want to go ahead and clean all this crap up, it's up to you. I may go ahead and clean all this up, and I'll be back. The other side is the same thing. Pop these, and yeah. So I'll be back and I'll show you once I put these on how they look. I'll do one at a time and then the end result. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and cleaned this out with a damp rag just because of picky's sake. One thing you do need to note is this car is comes with I believe rear fog lights, which I think the newer models don't have. Pretty sure they advertised this from 02 to 06 or whatnot. So what I may try is to keep that feature on this car. It's usually in this one, so I'm pretty sure this is a signal. I mean, I gotta look into it. Brake light, or this might be the signal, not sure, either or, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this one. And this should work as a rear fog light, which, depending on the circumstance, I'm guessing you can just change that regular bulb into a red one. I might change it to like a red LED or just a red housing one. May even get froggy and maybe just use them as reverse lights, because this little fucking light sucks for backing up. So I may put some crease in here. I'll see. I'll make up my mind later. So I could either keep the rear fog lights or use the switch inside, the toggle switch in there, to activate them as reverse lights. You know, if I feel like I can't see with that little ass light, I can toggle the switch on and get this to turn on with some crease, maybe, so it could be bright and be able to see when I back up. But yeah, so all you do is slap these in there. Obviously watch out with the whole wiring harness. So I'm just gonna roll this up as much as I can. Yeah, it'd be smart if we took this shit off. Sorry guys, it kind of sucks doing this shit with one hand. And just slap it in there. Like I said, you might want to watch it. Let me just pull this out. You want to go inside and guide the wiring so you don't get it caught with the actual housing. You know what, I may be able to do this with one hand. kind of sucks to do with one hand, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry for that, guys, but man, look at that. Gives the whole car a whole new look. Kind of sucks to get it in there because the clips are kind of like, I mean, like anything that's aftermarket, but just work your way through and then make sure you secure them and enjoy your new lights. I'll come back when I put both sides and see how they look when they turn on. You want to make sure as you tighten it, just don't over tighten it because it is aftermarket, and you know, tighten it where you feel like it's snug. You should feel in the back that the back of the bolt bottoms onto the bracket, because you know, being aftermarket, if you over tighten it, you might strip the bolt out of the plastic, and that's gonna suck. Alright, so yeah, just finished the install on both sides. I think it gives the Mini a pretty cool look. Go ahead and turn them on, see how they look like. Don't mind my interior is gonna get updates. All sorts of updates to my interior soon. Yep. These are the lights. Sorry, this is not gonna really see it, I guess, in person much, but see the hazards. Those will be your hazards, just like I thought. Let's see the fog light switch. Pretty sure it's gonna be the ones I said. Yeah, see, so it's gonna be up to you if you're gonna want to use this maybe as an extra backup camera, or change the bulb to red so you can use it as a rear fog light. That's it, guys. That's my review. An install. Hope you guys like it. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Catch you in the next install video.